Here's a GRE arithmetic question. Let's take a look. We need to figure out which quantity is greater, quantity A or quantity B. Now, these are some big numbers to state the obvious, right? Quantity A and quantity B are both very, very big numbers. In fact, they are so big that your pathetic little GRE calculator cannot handle them. Remember, the GRE calculator only has room for 8 digits, and we're going above and beyond here. So here's how I approach this one. It's a little sneaky. Generally in exponents, I'm going to say like 95% of the time, you want to do something with the bases. But in this case, we want to do something with the exponents, and I'll show you what that is. If I start with, what is this, 10,000, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 10,000, sorry, to the power of 4. That's 10 to the 4 to the power of 4. I'm going to rewrite this as, I'll rewrite it down here, 10,000 to the power of 2 times 2. Everyone with me on that? So 10,000 to the power of 2 times 2, I could even simplify this and say 10 to the 4 to the power of 2 times 2, means that I can take this exponent right here and multiply it in. Because remember, the rule with raising powers to powers is it's all multiplication. So I could group these however I want. I could multiply them all together and make it 10 to the 16. But what I'm going to do for the sake of comparison, and it'll make sense in a second, is say this is 10 to the power of 8, that to the power of 2, right? So it's 10 to the 8 to the power of 2. Meanwhile, this is how many nines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So nines, eight nines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, also to the power of 2. Well, remember, this is a quantitative comparison. I don't actually need to calculate the numbers. I just need to figure out which one is bigger. So what's bigger? A 1 with 8 zeros tacked onto it, or 8 nines in a row? Well, it's going to be quantity A by literally 1, right? Obviously, it gets different when we square it. But if I'm just comparing two quantities that are squared, then this one has to be greater than that one, meaning that quantity A is greater. For more GRE tips and tricks, or to sign up for my online course, follow the link on my profile.